To the Stellenbosch team, thank you so much for including me on this very special day. And to the class of 2020, congratulations. You have made it. In a year where we've had to face a pandemic, a femicide, and many social issues that threatened our world. And we're really proud of you. Remember to take the time out to thank your community and family for supporting you during this period. It feels like not so long ago when I was in the exact same spot where you are today. And I can tell you, it marks the beginning of a very exciting journey. But remember to keep investing in yourself and learning. For those going into the corporate space, remember to be open-minded and keep learning. Be intentional about being value-adding members of our community. And to the researchers and the entrepreneurs, the otherwise, remember that purpose and profit are not mutually exclusive. We have been waiting for you. Come with all that you are. Bring your light. Remember to take up space and create spaces.
Hello to the future. I'm Schalk Brits, ex-Springbok rugby player and now retired. As an old Marty, firstly I want to say congratulations on graduating at the University of Stellenbosch. It surely took a lot of time, hard work, discipline, and a lot of fun to get your degrees. Firstly, my advice would be quite different to, the normal advice you'll get. My advice would be to you is to fail, to try, to be courageous, to have a go. For me in life, I failed a lot more than I succeeded, but without failing, I wouldn't have grown to the person and rugby player that I was in my career. Good luck in a very weird 2020. Take the world on, and there's a couple of things that I would advise on is to succeed is hard work, discipline, and then take people with you, relationships. Good luck in your future, have fun, and go out and be courageous. All the best.
Congratulations, well done. This is an enormous achievement. Well done on hanging in there on the difficult days, on keeping your eye on the goal and never giving up. Dit is 'n mylpaal hierdie wat die res van julle lewens gaan beïnvloed. Baie, baie geluk. Many of you probably know where you're going next year. Good luck with that, whatever it holds. Good luck with the next phase. But it is a very difficult time economically, so many of you probably have not yet found a place to start. Do not give up hope. The country needs you, needs your skills, your qualifications, needs all of you. All that it took to get you to this point is needed in our country, in our economy. Keep looking. You will find a place to start. So once again, congratulations on a milestone, an achievement. Build on it from now on. As a young woman said to me in an interview the other day, we cannot afford to be mediocre. Never be mediocre. Give it your all wherever you are. Be the best that you can be. For the sake of all of us, we need you.